Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can stop apps from opening and startup in Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So for that, simply right click on your task bar and click on Task Manager. And here on your left menu you can see Startup Apps. Click on it. And you can see the list of apps here in this screen. So select the app that you would like to disable and click on Disable. So this will disable these apps from starting when your computer boots up. So you have to make sure that you enable the necessary operating system components to ensure that your PC boots correctly and you have all those necessary functions. You can select other apps that you don't need during startup and click on Disable. So this will disable those apps from starting during the boot process.